almost all kind of tax, but you cannot include federal tax. Understand? You can almost put everything there, but you cannot put on your last year federal tax because federal tax is not deductible. Okay, you cannot deduct your federal tax over there. Okay, so be careful. Let me see. Interest. Okay. See here, 19. Charitable contribution. Right. This you have a limitation there. Number 20, depreciation. 21, depletion. 22, advertisement. 23, pension. Profit like a 401k. If a company pay. 25, domestic production. 26, other. So 27 is total. Alright. So from 12 to 26 is almost like the one on your Schedule C as individual. Very similar. Very similar. Okay. Eventually, okay, for corporation, we all under the name deduction. However, if you compare to individual, for individual we divide it to two categories. One part is called adjustment. It's called adjustment. The other part is called deduction. And deduction on the individual is on Schedule A. So we try to get a comparison. Okay. Hopefully I will not lose you. Everybody can give me one idea, any kind of example on the personal, individual counted as adjustment. For example, what's adjustment? Just give me any idea. Right. Self-employment medical. Be careful. If you work for somebody else, if you don't work for self, and it's not deductible, you must be self-employee, self-employment, then you can deduct your medical insurance. Yes. So for example, on your personal medical insurance for self-employee, that is under the adjustment. But medical expenses for individuals is on the deduction. You see the difference? Yeah, hold on 1 second. You see the difference? We will talk about what's the difference. But right now for business, there's no separate. We just put them together under as expenses and under the name deduction. But I just want to give you the comparison. For individual, we have two categories. One is called adjustment, that is on the first page. And that is more important than your deduction. Because if this person has too much, very high AGI, you may lose your deduction. But for corporation, no difference. You just put them together. Yes, go ahead.
I know you mentioned before there's a payroll tax that you pay for